Hello, Joe Reynolds yet again for my video 3 presentation. I decided for the logos, I went with two hands joining together, which obviously means joining together to become one. As an anti-racial company, joining together shows the world that there's no difference of color, and that we are all human and should be treated that way. I decided to keep it simple with the company name and the hands as an icon in case we make a sell app later on down the street, down the way. We can use just the hands for the icon for that. As for when it comes to billboards, we can blow the logo up as big as we want to be able to place it on it. I chose the letter red, or color red orange, for the American logo, for the patriotic side, which we are a veteran-owned and operated company and are very patriotic. I decided to use the green heart logo with the hands for the Nigerian side, as the color of flag is green, and that is what's cultural familiar to our future customers. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation.